First, I'll put a piece of 240 sandpaper onto a square glass, about 300 ml by 300 ml. I asked a local glazier to cut this for me. It's about 10 ml thick, I think. Then I'm gonna rub the plain body back and forth on the paper, starting from the right hand side of the paper. After sanding 10 times, I'm gonna move to the left by one plain size. Then I'll sand 10 times there. Make sure not to go too far past the paper. I suggest you move to the next position after 10 times, because if you sand in one place for too long, the dust will start to clog the paper, and in the end, the dust will build up enough to damage the sole. And make sure to blow off the dust before moving to the left. Okay, let's take a look at the sole. I think you can tell the difference between the sanded area and the unsanded area, right? I'll continue sanding until the whole sole is evenly sanded.